Today's adventure is this beautiful 3D printed steampunk version, or maybe call it medieval, but steampunk 3D printed BoKatan bucket, which will have a really cool lens in it. That's all hand done detail. There's even more detail in there. But yeah, just gonna cover it in some clear. Seal it all up. Not RC, but hey, it's Fat Punk Studios. Yeah. I'll shoot another vid with the clear on it. But there you go. Pretty decent. We got 2 weeks, or next week actually, for the con. So yeah. Alrighty. Be back after we're done.